Hello everyone, my name is Avinash Dhodi. Today we will talk about work from home and explain the what is work from home and its advantage, disadvantage and importance. So let's start with the what is work from home. What is work from home? Work from gives flexible working hours to the employee as well as the job for the employer is done with easy. Work from home is also known as working remotely or telecommunicating, which implies that the employee is working from a remote location, usually home. Importance of work from home. Work from home as a concept is very important in current times. It helps to keep productivity of the employee same or even better at the same time support the employee for being with family or handling some personal work. During coronavirus pandemic, work from home enable many companies and institutes to remain productivity and keep themselves relevant. Advantages of work from home. Job retention. There is a more job applicant for a particular job with certain people with location concent, concentrant or disabled people can apply for the job. Work life balance. Many people claim that a more quieter or friendly atmosphere is found at home, which helps to concentrate on the work as well as they can complete the assigned work quickly. There is lot of saving with respect to cost of office infrastructure like space, electricity bill. Employees feel motivated as they get a good work life balance and improve their productivity. Disadvantages of work from home. There is always a major problem with monitoring the work. The cost of technology in infrastructure that is required for implementing the concept concept. There is always a security problem with data being transferred and that can't be monitored easily. All jobs doesn't is not suitable for work from home concept. Sometimes communication problem between employees makes it problematic for a job. Thank you everyone watching for me and listening me. Thank you.